Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Appliances by Masood. I'm going to tell you about slow juicer and juice extractor. What is the difference between slow juicer and juice extractor? So this is called as juice extractor. This one it is called as slow juicer, pure juicer or cold press juicer. This model is JEM50. The model is JEM50. In this one, this is called a juice extractor. You can feed the apple, fruits, anything like this, whatever fruits you want, apple, beetroot, carrot. So here this is the feeding tube. If you want to remove, unlock from here these clips, remove the lid. Then this is the jar. Okay, it has a jar of pulp collector, and this is for the juice collector jar. Then you have, if you want to remove it easily, you can remove it from here. In this one there is a blade and with the filter, so the juice comes out from this filter and it goes here, and it comes out from here. So this is the motor. You have to wash only these parts and this one. If you want to fix it back, you can just keep it from here like this. Then you will fix this blade and just slightly press, then just lock it from here. Okay, this is locked now. Now from this side also I will show you. You lock it, lift it up and press it down. Okay, now it is locked. So close the pulp collector jar here like this. Now it is closed. This is the pusher. You have to see this one and put it here like this. This is the pusher, and this is juice comes here, and this is anti-drip. If you want juice, just put it on this direction. After you finish, just close it like this. This is like anti-drip. 2 speed, 1 speed is a low speed and 2 speed is the high speed. Okay, and it has a stainless steel finishing body which will look beautiful in your kitchen. You can use this one for making juice for many types of fruits: apple, carrot, beetroot, orange. Pulp will be separated and the juice will be separated. Okay, so the size is 75 mm. You can feed the whole apple. If it is bigger than that, you have to cut it into the piece. And 2.5 liter of large pulp container. The capacity of the pulp is 2.5 liter. It has 2 speed, low speed and high speed. Easy to clean and wash the parts. You can wash. This is the pusher, blade and the lid. And this is anti-drip, detachable anti-drip spout. You can remove and clean and wash, and you can close it. And this is like safety locks on the both side of the machine. This is called cold press juicer and also called as slow juicer. So this one, the model number is JMP800SI from Kenwood, and it has like one output for the pulp and one output for the juice with anti-drip option. And from here you can see in the picture the whole apple you can feed from here, this side, and this side is for carrot like this. You can feed from here carrot like this. Okay, that is the feeding tube. So if you want to remove this one, just you can see here the red colors. This is open, this is now closed. The lid is closed. If you want to open, you can just make this side and you can remove it. After this, this is the pusher. This is the pusher, and then if you want to remove, just simple remove this one. It's very easy. Keep in mind, just hold it from both sides like this and you can. Only you have to wash this one, nothing else. This is called a scroller, which squeeze the fruit. Okay, and this is a filter. This is the filter, and this is like a wiper for these holes. So even if there is a small particles, it will wipe it, so the juice comes continuously. So other than this, the juice comes out from here, this outlet for juice, and this is for pulp. So let's fix it back. Just see these 3 triangle holes, put it here. Okay, now it's fixed. Then you will put this one. Take care for this one you will fix it in this place. You have to just take care for this space.
just you have to fix it properly in that place. Then you see this mark and this mark should be matched. Then you will put the scroller properly and slightly you have to rotate it. Then if it is okay, then you just put it, the lid it. But before, if it is not fixed properly, then you will rotate it slightly more and then put it and fix it properly. There are two jars, one is for the pulp, one is for the juice, and you can keep it in the front side of the machine.
A reverse button. The option for this reverse is like sometimes the fruit gets stuck, so you can reverse it until you hold it. Once you leave it, it will stop. Then you can press it or start button. It will start working forward. This one for holding the motor. It is an induction motor, durable induction motor, more durable. Juice and pulp containers. This one, two jars, and the scroller. It will give you continuous juice, and it has a dual feeding option. And the juice result you can get it like this. You can see here. This is a pure juicer. Kenwood pure juicer. It will give you pure juice, and the other one it is like a traditional juice, more oxidation and little quantity. Here more quantity of juice. So here you can make like all type of fruits. In this one you can see like almonds. If you are using almonds, you have to soak it in the water for like 4 to 5 hours. Then you can fill it from the top. It will give you milk of almonds. Other than this, there you can use like apple, carrot, beetroot, green leaves, whatever you want you can juice it. This is the best juicer in the market and compared to like juice extractors.
So in juice extractor, it is also called as traditional juicer. So in this one you can make juice of like carrot, apple, beetroot, pears, any type of hard fruits. You can take out the juice from that. And also like suppose the suppose you want to separate the pulp, you can separate the pulp from the fruit and the juice will be separated. So it has like two speed, and low speed and high speed you can say it. And also like it has a beautiful stainless steel finishing body. It has like 700 watts, two locking system, two clip system from both side, lock and unlock clips. And it has like 2.5 liter of pulp collector, pulp container you can say it. So even even the pulp you can make in a one go more juice, and the size of the container is bigger like 2.5 liter. So other than this, it has a stainless steel metal blade with the filter which you can remove and wash. So all these parts you can remove and wash easily. And so it's very easy to wash all the parts, and you have to wash in the same time after you make the juice of any fruits or vegetables. You just wash it after you finish your juicing, because you know the small particles get stuck in the filter, like especially for the carrot, very small particles it stuck in the holes of the filter. So this is a juice extractor. It's easy to fix and easy to use. If you have any inquiries, you can just comment in the comment section, and I have showed you already how to fix it, the filter, the jar and everything. After this I am going to tell you about slow juicer also. So let me just fix this one, and then I will tell you about slow juicer, which is also called as cold press juicer, and nowadays it is very famous. Why, I will tell you next. So in slow juicer, or you can call it as cold press juicer, it is like slowly it will squeeze the fruit. The difference is that it will squeeze the fruit slowly of carrot, apple, beetroot, same like the juice extractor. But in this one you can use many more things like green leaves, ginger, garlic, or nuts, or fruits, vegetables, whatever you want, you can just make the juice of that in slow juicer. So in my opinion, slow juicer is better than juice extractor. Why? Because it will give you more extraction rate compared to juice extractor. So it means like slow juicer is giving more juice compared to the juice extractor. Even the pulp of a slow juicer which comes out from the machine is fully dried compared to the juice extractor. In juice extractor, the juice rate will the extraction the pulp extraction will be like there'll be remaining juice in the pulp still when you hold and press it, squeeze it. So the extraction rate of pulp is also full dry in slow juicer, and the taste is better, the color is better of juice, and vitamins you will be getting more, and no oxidation level, no noise, easy to clean. So it's a compact in size also, and it will look beautiful in your kitchen, and the design is also very nice. So if you are going to buy any juicer for you, then you can better go for slow juicer rather than going for a juice extractor. And if you have any doubts, any inquiries, anything you want to suggest, just comment it in my comment section, and please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thanks for watching Appliances by Masood.